Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my all is also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest videos. So it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet doll free ideas. Beautiful pattern, beautiful crochet handmade knitting variety, beautiful style. Crochet handmade knitting variety. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, beautiful crochet dresses wearing ideas. Most demanding crochet collection. Different ideas, different pattern, free ideas, free pattern, crochet handmade knitting variety. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet amigurumi doll free ideas. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Hopefully you like this. Follow my channel. Very nice, beautiful ideas. Now I have to go. Okay, viewers. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care, viewers. Bye bye. And please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye, viewers.